Cricket World Cup 2023. How is net run rate calculated? What is NRR? Explained here. The net run rate, NRR, is going to become a hot topic very soon in the ongoing ICC Cricket World Cup 2023. Even after 10 matches, the NRR formula is used to determine which team stands at what position. For example, both India and Pakistan have equal number of points after playing 2 matches, but India are on second and Pakistan on third. New Zealand, with same number of wins and same number of matches, is at the top of the World Cup points table. In this case, what differentiates the teams is the net run rate or NRR. The net run rate is going to play a crucial role at the back end of the tournament with more than 4 teams having same number of points. In that scenario, the net run rate will decide who is playing the semis and who is going home. This is nothing new. Many multinational tournaments in the past in cricket have seen the net run rate formula being used to determine the semi-finalists. It plays a big role in the homegrown T20 competition Indian Premier League (IPL), where sides fight to secure a spot in the playoffs. How is net run rate or NRR calculated? While the fans discuss net run rate at length, many may not know how it is calculated. Here's a simple math. The NRR comes out when you take the average runs per over scored by a team in each game and subtract it with the average runs per over scored against that team in each game. The average runs scored per over by a team is calculated when you divide the total runs scored in all the matches of the tournament with the total number of overs played by that team. For example, if India scored 200, 300, 400 in 3 matches versus Pakistan, England and Australia in 50 overs in each game, then sum of runs, 200 plus 300 plus 400 equals 900, will be divided by total number of overs, 150. So 6 is the average runs scored per over by India here. Now, we will calculate the average runs per over conceded by India. Suppose India conceded 150, 250, 350 in these 3 matches, where 50 overs were bowled, then the sum of runs conceded, 150 plus 250 plus 350 equals 750, will be divided by 150 overs. The result will be 5. Now, to calculate the NRR, you subtract 5 from 6 and what you get is 1. Hence, India's NRR will be 1. In case the match is interrupted by rain and the Duckworth-Lewis (DLS) system is used, then the number of overs in an innings and the runs calculated by doctors will be used as parameter.